Hello guys, it's Charles Lord here. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra leaks. Next year, 2022, we should be expecting the Samsung service flagship devices, which are the Samsung S22, Samsung S22 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The most premium and advanced model is the Samsung S22 Ultra. As expected, the device is supposed to feature the 6.81-inch Super AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution, a 120Hz high refresh rate, and a S Pen stylus. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra may come with a storage slot for the S Pen, making it much easier to keep track of Samsung stylus without losing it. The device is going to be supported with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 system on chip with exynos 2200 processor. It is reported that the exynos variant is going to be available in some markets, while some markets are going to get the Snapdragon chipset processor variant. As rumored, the Snapdragon 898, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, will be used in the Samsung Galaxy S22 flagship phones, which are expected to be announced next year, being 2022. Additionally, the exynos 2200 will reportedly be paired with AMD graphic units, while the quad-core Snapdragon chipset will be powered by the company's Adreno GPU. According to benchmark, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with the exynos chip scored 691 and 3167 in Geekbench single-core and multi-core tests, while Apple's A15 chip scored 1732 and 4685. On the front of the device, that's where we have the punch-hole camera. The edges are curved and not flat as some speculated. Let's read the comments on the governance of the device. It would be better if they completely got rid of the curved screen. A curved screen serves no purpose and just makes the screen easily to break. A little heat on those edges is all it would take for the screen to shatter. I mean, does anyone even like that? I don't really know, but you guys should let me know on the comment section on what you think about this comment. If you're enjoying this video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. At the back of the device, you will find the not really updated camera array, which is the 100 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, and 10 megapixel 10x telephoto. The device will be able to record video in 8K resolution at 24 fps and also play graphic adaptive game. It will have the internal storage of 12GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM. It's also going to be powered by the large 5000 mAh battery. It could support 45 watts fast charging and the operating system of Android 12, One UI 4, which also supports 5G network.